Beastin', bitch. Look at that shit, nigga. You ain't never seen no shit like that, nigga. Never ever in your motherfucking life. You know what I'm talking about? Look at the section on that wall, nigga. Look at the section on that shit. You can't even jump through that motherfucking window, nigga. If it's a fire, nigga, you just out of there. You can't even jump through the window, nigga. It take two niggas to push this door open, nigga. 2, 3 niggas, but I'm one nigga. I'm that nigga, bitch. Bitch. Excuse my language. Look at this studio, nigga. This ain't that shit you got in your closet, nigga. This some $1 million shits, nigga. That's where I record at, boy. Got them headphones in. Reezee. Yeah. Nigga know about me. R.I.P. Nut Dizzy, nigga. Real talk, nigga. Buzz put it down in that studio, nigga. R.I.P. boy. Already, nigga. You niggas know what the fuck's going on. It's T-R-E-E-Z to the double E. You understand me? In the studio, putting in work. While you niggas sleeping. You niggas is tripping. While you niggas is tweeting. I'm over here getting it in. Well, I'm not really. I'm paying that money to get it in, but nigga, Young Chill getting it in. Real nigga shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Live your dream, man. You never know what's gonna happen, man. It's too easy.